find lightning, you're going to do it to me.
What are we doing?
When you're trying to find lightning, it's fall. Because you see lightning, guys, over upstairs, down, and up in the sky.
Yeah, look, you gotta look everywhere.
Go upstairs.
Who is that? Oh, it's a police car.
That's sure.
I thought it was sheriff, yeah.
It is sheriff.
There's sheriff. Hi, sheriff.
You found sheriff?
Unofficial. He's more of a deputy. Can he help us?
And he can help us find lightning. Hey, stop!
Okay.
Stop!
Well, I thought it would help us find the lightning. Don't you
Daddy
think?
wants to tape it in case you see it, and that way you can watch it over and over again.
Isn't that a good idea?
I don't want to take a picture.
Okay.
How are you going to be a model?
You're getting camera shy in your old age, huh?
I got a balloon and I try to bump your leg.
Hey, hey, hey!
And I bump your leg when you can stand up.
Oh, so I can stand up. Okay, up. Oh, oh no, don't bug me away. Don't bug me away. Ay, 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 don't bug me away.
The front one, too, though. Yikes. We're in front. Outside, big one on the corner. Down by the sidewalk.